Very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well. Let's start our English class. Take out your English grammar book and open chapter 24, page number 85. Let me share that ebook to you. I hope you all can see the screen over here. So this is chapter 24, conjunction. Read the following sentences. I love chocolates and ice cream. Jyoti is tall but Samay is short. What will you have, tea or coffee? So here some words we can see in bold and bird or they all are words which join two words like chocolate and ice cream and tall and short, bird and tea and coffee or so these words are joining two words as you can see. So the definition of conjunction is given here. As you can see, conjunctions are joining words. They are used to join two or more words or sentence. Some more examples of conjunctions are as follows. They are happy though they are poor. We started our journey when the rain stopped. You will do in the exam. You will do well in the exam if you study hard. Try and try until you succeed. She missed the bus because she woke up late in the morning. So these are some words which are written in bold. They all are conjunctions. The use of conjunction actually depends upon what we want to say. In the following, you will notice that we have used different conjunction to convey different ideas. I will go home, dash and do my work. I will go home, dash. What will come here? I will go home early and do my work. You can see. I will go home, dash, but I will not take you along. I will go home, dash, because I am tired. I will go home, you can say early again, because I'm tired. I will go home, dash, or I will stay back. I will go home, dash, if I get the air tickets. I will go home, dash, when I get leave. So it depends upon the idea. It depends upon the sentence, what we are saying. Now, underline the conjunctions. Here we have to complete this exercise. Underline the conjunction in the column. Let's start completing this exercise. Ram is naughty, but Shyam is studious. So, what is the answer? But. Ram is naughty, but Shyam is studious. Understand? Next is, what do you like, bananas or oranges? Here or. He was taken to hospital because he was ill. Because. She came to school though she had fever. Though. I will wait for you until you return. Until. I was not at home because he had when he called me. So here when. Raman and Sapna are good friends. And first, you can take rest if you feel tired. If. So I hope that you all have done this exercise. Move to the next topic. And let us understand why we use and, conjunction and. We use and to join sentences when the meaning has same relation. As you can see here, when meaning has same relation, then we have to use and. She went to market, she bought 2 apples. She went to market and bought 2 apples. We use and to join a list of words. I like apples, banana, and oranges. Use and to join the following sentence. We went to the market and we bought vegetables. Understand? So you have to write the sentence using and, like this. We went to the market and we bought vegetables. Here W will be small and we don't have to use full stop. Understand? Let me write this for you all. Here the sentence will be like, we went to the market and we bought vegetables. Understand? So we have to write a sentence like this using and. So you have to do all the sentence by yourself using and. We went to the station and we boarded the Rajdhani Express. She came home and she switched on the television. We went to the park and we waited for Rahul. Sonali called me yesterday and she told me about the class. Okay. So I hope that you all can do this exercise as well. Now move to the next one, which is but. We use but to join sentences when one sentence says something and the other just the opposite. When two sentences are opposite of each other, then we have to use but. Like you can see, we played well, we lost the match. We played well, but we lost the match. Now here we have to join the sentence using but. The journey was long, but we enjoyed it. He failed many times, but he never lost. Understand? So you just have to write but in between the sentence. We reached the station on time, but we forgot our tickets. I loved the dress, but mother did not like it. Amit injured his leg, but he kept on playing for his team. Or we use or to join sentences and words to show that only one choice is available. Understand? In these sentences, student, don't forget to remove the full stop and to the first letter will be small. The second letter of this sentence you can see will be small. First letter of the second sentence will be small. Or you can have ice cream, you can have chocolate. So we use or to join sentences and word to show that only one choice is available. Like you can have ice cream or chocolate. Whenever we want to show that there is only one choice is available, then we have to use or. First one is finish your breakfast quickly. You will be late for school. So here we can write finish your breakfast quickly or you will be late for school. Take an umbrella or you will get wet. You can buy ice cream or you can buy lemonade. You can write like this. Finish your breakfast quickly or you will be late. You just have to write or here. Or you will be late. Take an umbrella or again, or you will get wet. You can buy ice cream or lemonade. We have to write or and we have to remove. We have to remove you can buy. You can buy ice cream or lemonade. Why we are removing this you can buy? Because it is already written here. We don't have to write you can buy again. You have to be there on time. You have to be there on time. They won't let you in. Or they won't let you in. Again here or they won't let you in. Okay. So this is the answers of this exercise. Move to the next one which is because. We use because to answer the question. Why or to give a reason. Like he came first. Why? Because he was well prepared for the examination. Understand? So we have to use because to give answer of some sentence. Like I went to the doctor, I was sick. I went to the doctor, why? Because I was sick. So you have to use I went to doctor because. Just use because I was sick. Don't forget to remove full stop and I will be capital. We went to the library because we had. Again, because we had some work. The teacher is happy with us because we performed well. The father went to visit my grandma because she was unwell. I am hungry because I did not have my breakfast. Understand? Some more conjunction. Both is used to talk about two person or things. Both, my person, my brother and sister are doctor. Until is used to show a point of time. Like they study until their parent return from office. When is used to show where two events happening at the same time. Like they play football when it rains. So is used to show the purpose of something. I exercise daily, so I lost weight. If is used to show a condition, like she will drop you home if you are late. Either or are used to show one thing or person. Like they either eat outside on Sundays or get food back for home. Match the following to make meaningful sentence. Like Ranu missed the bus. Ranu missed the school bus. Now here we have to match the sentence to make it a meaningful sentence. Like let's match them. Ranu missed the school bus, but she did not panic. He completed his homework when his mother was away. The book was not as interesting, so I returned it to the library. Though it was hot day, Sonu went down to play. The shepherd boy returned as the sun began to set. Okay, so I hope that you all have done this one also. Move to the next exercise. Fill in the blank with the correct conjunction word. Here we have to fill in the blanks using correct conjunction. One more important thing I want to tell you, that you all the exercises which are here, you all have to do these exercises on your grammar notebook. Understand? This fill in the blanks you just have to do it in here. We study dash, our father comes from office. So we study until. Let me write the numbers. Words will be okay. We study until our father comes from office. We don't watch television. Dash, we have exams. We don't watch television when we have exams. Dash, you and Jane were absent on Tuesday. Both. We should be in capital. Both you and Jane were absent on Tuesday. I'll go to the school, dash, you come along. I'll go to the school if you come along. I got hurt, I fell down. I got hurt because I fell down. Seema, Raju, Dash, Shudev are naughty, are very naughty. So here and Seema, Rahul, and Raju and Suhail. You can do sketching or paper folding. I called her, but she did not pick up. These are the answers of all the questions which we have completed of this chapter, conjunctions. Okay. So we'll do the next chapter, which is chapter 25 in our next class, friends. So that's all for today's class. We'll meet in our next class. Good day.